Okay, so hello and welcome to TurboCoder with Turbo Search. This is the 13th edition version 1.5, how to use search using subterms. So up here in our search box, we've got the options to search everywhere via subterms, codes and standards. So this is going to be focusing on using subterms. So you can see as soon as I select subterms, it's going to search subterms throughout all the index in the tabular of all the applications within Turbo. So let's go back and change that back to lead terms. What we need to do is go home, select first where we want to find the term that we're looking for. And in this case, we're looking for the term mouth because we want to be able to code abscess of the mouth. So what we do is we select where we want to search first. So we want to search in the index first. Then we come up to the search bar and choose subterms. So that enables us to select that we want to choose the subterms within the index. Then we come into our search bar and we type in what we're looking for. So we're looking for any pathways that have the word mouth in it. So at the top, we have the abscess of the mouth, non-essential modifier floor. We can also see if there's any other terms or pathways that have the word mouth that might be what we were looking for. There's nothing else there that we can see that we're looking for. We can also see there's cellulitis of the mouth that hasn't been documented, so we cannot follow that pathway. If we get to the bottom here and we can't see any more, there are more available. What we do is we click on the last pathway. It takes you to that. Then we move up to this top here, search forward. Click that button. It'll take you to the next lookup or pathway that has the word mouth in it. So let's go back to abscess mouth. The index will take us to whatever pathway we've selected. So in this case, we've selected abscess mouth. The navigation frame has changed to use that pathway, and the documentation frame has placed that lookup at the top of the screen. And there's our code we're looking for. So if we click on that, it'll take us to the code that we're looking for with the code title. It also will display any excludes or includes as well. At this stage, we can scroll up and down if we'd like to, or we can hover over here over excludes, which we see under K12. What excludes are under K12. If there's any other excludes right up to the chapter, we can see here we've also got excludes notes at the chapter level. To go back to where we were, we click this backtrack blue button and it will take us to where we were in the tabular. So if that's the code you're looking for, you can also see submandibular abscess is also a term that will lead you to this code. So that's how we use subterms in a diagnosis pathway.